Parighasana, the gate pose. Come to kneeling position on the side of the mat, and from here stretch one leg to the side. The toes can be pointed to the shorter or the longer edge of the mat. See that your hip is even, and with an inhale stretch your spine and raise your arms to the side. With an exhale, slowly bend to the side towards the stretched leg. See that your hip remain even, and with an inhale, slowly come back to the middle. Now let's see a modification. If you have any knee injury, then you can just do Parighasana and you can bend to the side on the same way, so you don't put pressure on your knee. Now let's see the variations. For variation, you can raise the arms on the side, and after don't touch your leg, just keep the arms next to the ears parallel with each other stretched. This is a strengthening version. Or you can also do a back bending version where you place your palm to your heel, or you can place your palm to a brick as well. See that your sacrum is inserted inside the body and you're grounding well with the hip and with the leg. Or you can do a moving, flowing version where you move from one side to the other side, stretching the whole frontal part of the body. First you're moving to Parighasana, and from Parighasana you're moving to the other side with an exhale, touching the ground with your palm and bringing the other arms behind the ear. Or you can stay an easier version of Vasisthasana, and here you can even make a loop with your hand. And another version, with an exhale, slowly you can bend forward from your hip, walk with the hand forward, and see that you're making space between the sitting bones. This is like little puppy, but one leg is straight. And see as you're stretching your back and your shoulders as well.